everybody, this is Nora, and I have been wanting to bring you another fun design using these super cool vinyls from Cosedora, and these are available from Amazon, so I will have the direct link down in the description bar for you, as well as my 20% off. You can get 20% off of these using my code. I will also have that scrolling down at the bottom of the screen. But check this out. I think these turned out super cool. I'm having a lot of fun with these. So I will go ahead and leave you with that quick tutorial and meet you at the end. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this quick video and tutorial on how to use these vinyls. This is the final result after cleanup and applying top coat. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.